Our motorcycle tour of Finland starts again today.
And we are heading south towards Helsinki. It is around 1,000 kilometers, so we're not going to do that in one day, but we're going to be heading through multiple national parks as we ride towards Helsinki, and hopefully along the way see some wildlife. But first we need to fuel up, and that's what Sean is doing right now. Oh, it has 98.
It does. It has E5, so put the E5 98 in for a treat.
So once Shadow is fueled up, we will get officially on the road and start the big journey south. I'm looking forward to this ride today. It should be through loads of trees and really nice to be out there in nature. So let's go. Is the fuel more expensive here?
It's a bit, yeah. It's about, what, €2 a litre? What we're paying back in Switzerland, I think about 170.
Oh wow,
180.
okay.
It's quite a bit difference. But then we are in the middle of nowhere, so it's kind of understandable.
All right, let's start the Lapland road trip.
Keep alert on these roads, aren't you?
Is he gonna cross?
He is.
Yeah.
Why did the reindeer cross the road?
To get
he's
to
great.
The greening grass.
He takes his time, doesn't he, when he's crossing?
He does. Bye, reindeer. I love them so much.
Oh, they're great, aren't they? And this is the reason why our tyres are squared off. Yeah, looked at the tyres the other day and they are getting pretty square. We've still got plenty of tread on them, so I've no doubt they'll last the rest of the trip. But the roads here in Norway, Sweden and Finland, because it's such a big place, they can just put these big straight roads through the forest, and they're so straight. And when there is a turn, it's very gradual. And I think the roads are quite abrasive as well, so it's yeah, it's a bit of a tyre killer. And I'm glad we put new ones on before we left. Is he going for a road cross? Oh, he's beautiful.
No, he's just having a bit of grass there.
Is he just having some grass, this one? Might get a photo of him. Oh no, if he goes. Oh, he's big, isn't he?
He is big.
Off that main road now in search of a national park, although I don't think it can get any more national parkish than what we just rode through.
I think it's going to get even denser forest, Sean.
You think? Okay.
Yeah.
It was quite busy, that one.
It was, yeah. This is a good little town though. We found this is the first one in 200 kilometers we've been in, with a couple of supermarkets and a couple of fuel stations.
Yeah, it was good, and it's Sunday as well, and the supermarkets were open, so that's nice. I'm definitely getting deja vu. These lakes on rivers are all looking the same. I felt like we came in this way and we're going back the wrong way, but no. I assure you, it is different. Is that a reindeer in the road again? Yeah, I think so. Get off the road, you. You doing?
On. I love them so much.
They've got a bit of a cow's nose.
It's a good observation, that, Sean.
Because their kids are called calves, aren't they? I think from reindeer.
I think so. It is really dangerous though, riding fast or driving fast on these roads. We've seen like 5 or 6 in the road today.
Yeah.
I'm actually judging Finland for the 100 speed limit a little bit.
But they do have these like ditches, which gives you a little bit more, and they do cut away a lot of the trees, so you do see them at least. But oh, here's some more. Wow, there's 4 here. Oh, and
I don't
another
know
one.
if this is normal or we're being like really blessed with it.
And another one.
There they are. Come on, guys. They like this area.
They seem to, yeah. Keep our eyes peeled.
Yeah.
The silver birches are nice as well. Oh, there's another one there on the left. Just on the left there.
Wow. Oh yeah, there he is, just headed into the forest.
It's a new game.
Spot the reindeer.
Spot him.
Well, it makes these long, straight forest roads a bit more lively.
It does, doesn't it? And man, they are straight. I keep going on about it, but
yeah.
I think you can actually put a ruler. You can put a ruler on our tire at the moment. It's that flat. I think we're gonna ride like
later.
We're gonna ride like this now, Em, for the next 1,000 kilometers.
Come along now. Oh, you're coming back over.
Oh, he's taking a mick now. Oh, you're trying to keep your tyres round as well. I think he is.
He's lovely. He put on a little show for us.
He did. I don't even know if he knew us we were there or not. Hey Cardo, radio off. Hey Cardo, disable radio.
Okay, where are we, Sean?
We are in Kuusamo.
No, we're going to Kuusamo.
No, we're going to Kuusamo. Well, I don't know where we are then, but if you know where we are, why are you asking me?
I don't know where we are. You have the sat nav.
You just know where we're not.
I know where we're not. Yeah.
Oh, we are. I think we're at Kotatu.
Kia Kompatu. Okay.
Kotatu, yeah, that doesn't help anyone.
We're just passing through a little town on the, like, there was a junction for us to turn off, and we're heading to Kuusamo, which is around 150 kilometers from here, and that region has two of the most beautiful national parks, and that's where we're heading. It's also home to a lot of bears. And it's right on the Russian border, so that's where we're going to be riding to next. But now we're on this beautiful bridge. Look at that.
I think that's the biggest lake I've seen here. It's gigantic.
Awesome. To Kuusamo now, which is right on the Russian border, and we're going to be riding through two national parks here in Finland, and the roads should get a little bit twistier, a little bit smaller, a little more off the beaten path as we head towards there. And it's also home to literally hundreds of bears. There's a really high bear population in this area, so I'm not sure if we should camp tonight or not.
If there any noise you hear at night, I think you'll be like, what's that?
Yes, that's what we're doing now, so let's head on to the next 134 kilometers, which will be on this exact road. I think it's going to be long and straight and lots of forests.
Well, yeah, the same as it ever was. Yeah. Is it to flash the reindeers, the lights?
Could be. It's a bit scary.
The reindeers?
No, like riding or driving when they could just be anywhere. It's like you can't really relax.
No, you can't, can you? You have to be scanning.
Because, yeah, like we've seen 20 on the road. 30.
We have, yeah. It's not like occasionally, is it? It's all the time.
Yeah, it's not like maybe I'm going to see a reindeer on my drive to work, like you are.
And at least in the daytime, I can see them quite far ahead. But at night time, maybe you don't have so much of a chance to see them until they're right on top of you. Maybe that's what the extra lights are. They point a bit further.
Maybe. So Sean, these are our last few kilometres in the Arctic Circle. We're about to cross back over the line.
Ah, okay. The landscape is very different to when we went to the Arctic Circle in Norway.
It's true that. I'm kind of wanting there to be a line on the floor here in Finland, but I guess that there won't be.
They should have a visitor centre like Norway does, but as this is the one... Oh no, we're off the main road now, aren't we?
We are off the main road, yeah.
Yeah,
we're
so
heading
maybe there won't
towards Kuusamo now. I'm hoping we'll find a place to camp around this region. There are a few spots I've seen online that we could find maybe, because the weather looks beautiful until tomorrow.
It is nice. It's warmed up as well. It's back to 20 degrees.
That's nice. Finland has delivered with a statue marking the Arctic Circle, exactly what we wanted. For most people, I guess it's for when they arrive, but for us, it's for when we leave, isn't it?
I think so, yeah. It's a good reminder. We could have just driven through it.
There's no line on the floor. I feel like they could have put a line.
Yeah, the line would be good, wouldn't it? So you're crossing it. But, you know.
I don't know when we'll next be in the Arctic Circle.
No, I don't know. We'd like to go to Svalbard at some point.
Svalbard is definitely on the cards, yeah. But come on then, let's leave. Say goodbye.
Then. Does that mean it's going to get warmer from here on?
Hopefully.
Should do. It's coming up to 4 o'clock. We've made good progress today. I think we've done... how many kilometres have we done today? 400 or 500, do you think?
Yeah, 400 probably.
Yeah. Well, we're going to look for a place where we can wild camp. So we've just turned off the main road and we're heading into some thicker forest. It's a bit quieter here, so hopefully we can find a place. There's some lakes around here as well, so that would be ideal.
Yeah, it'd be nice to be in the trees but next to the lake. That sounds like the perfect spot, and hopefully if we find a good spot we can also build a fire like we did in Sweden.
Oh yeah, you are a new fire specialist, aren't you?
We have found a really good spot for the night. We have pitched the tent, the bike's unpacked, and Em's just gonna start a fire, I think. Are you?
I am. I, like every other girl, went to fire school. No. I watched loads of Bear Grylls as a kid, and my little tip for starting a fire: cotton wool pads that you've dipped in any fuel or petrol or any fire starter, tiny bit of like dry twigs in the middle, this one stuffed in there, then a waterproof match.
The pressure's on here. Hey.
There we go. Then put a big one straight on the top.
My little fire starter.
I think we're going to cook up some dinner. Sean went on a haul.
I did, didn't I? I did.
He went a bit crazy. We've got a full on of parsley plant.
Yeah, we might plant that if we don't use it. We could be here for the next people.
And then I think we're going to do spaghetti bolognese tonight.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, it's getting started. It's a bit easier than last time in Norway, Sweden, where it was a bit wet, wasn't it?
Really
Got
wet.
Some nice dry sticks this time.
We should have a roaring fire in no time.
It is. Well, nice location.
Yeah, really nice. We're right by the lake.
Just down here. And it was not too far from the road as well, so it was really easy to ride to. But it was a bit bumpy and there was a camper van trying to get in here, but I think he drove away in the end because it was a bit too rocky. But there's the lake. What a beautiful spot again it is. So we're going to spend tonight here in Denmark, in the woods.
In Finland.
Not Denmark, Finland even.
We're in Finland.
And can relax now.
Finally.
Next job, I think, is to get the stove on, get the pasta cooking.
Yeah, water boiling first, but open your beer.
Yeah. Beer is quite expensive
In Finland.
in the Nordic countries. I found this one for €2.50. I've no idea what it's like. It's called Juislager. It looks like a cheap one, but the other ones were like €5-6 a can.
Yeah, that Lapland lager I got you the other day was like £3.
That was nice on.
We come from like Switzerland where you can still get a beer for 60 rapping, 60 cents.
Yeah, I think. Not bad, pretty standard.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's all right, Dan. You can't have this one. This one's not good.
Okay. I think I'll stick to my vitamin water and my courgette pasta. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, me too.
I'm looking forward to dinner. And then I think we have an absolutely clear night.
We do have a
And the aurora forecast is 60%.
60, that's
We've only like had 40s from this trip. So it says you have to check the sky from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m.
So you're getting up at 2, are you?
I'm not getting up.
You could leave the roof off the tent.
That'll be a interesting night. Oh, this fire is getting warm.
So we had a reindeer over there before, didn't we?
Did we?
Well, when we rode in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was nice.
And you reckon it's a bear area, is it?
It is a bear area, so I think 30 kilometres in that direction is the national park that we wanted to see, and that's where the family of bears is.
Oh, okay.
Now, they say that there's no bear risk in Finland and Norway and Sweden because they are so not used to humans that they run away.
Oh, that's nice.
Unlike in America
In Canada.
and Canada, where they're quite people friendly.
Yeah, they come into town, don't
they do recommend a bear hang for food.
Oh, okay.
So we might just like
Hook it on a tree, I think.
hook it on a tree 100 metres away from the camp.
Don't forget it tomorrow, though. Gutted.
But yeah. Oh, the sound. Silence.
It's 9 o'clock and it's nearly dinner time, isn't it, Em?
It is. It has been a wonderful evening watching the sunset, but it's just about to get dark, which means it's time to eat the spaghetti bolognese that I've made. It's looking pretty good, say so myself.
It is look good, that, Em.
And we haven't added the parsley, and we're also going to add some cheese onto the top as well. And I think that's it done for us for the night, actually. We're going to hop into bed and then get ready to do kind of 500 kilometres down to Helsinki tomorrow.
We're going to Helsinki tomorrow.
Well, we might not be in Helsinki, we might be on like the outskirts. Because there's a castle that we want to see.
Ah, yeah, it doesn't have many castles here in Finland, but there is one that's pretty cool, so that's one we're definitely going to have to see tomorrow.
Yeah, and I don't think it's actually too far on these like little B roads that we're on, like sticking off the main road, so that will be nice.
That'll be good. Yeah, so we'll tuck into this and then we will head to bed. Well, we're in the tent, in a sleeping bag, so it's nice and warm.
It is. It's only like 8 degrees tonight, so for us that's quite warm to be camping in. So it's quite nice.
Yeah, it is. There's a lot of strange noises out there. I think there's ducks, reindeers, even the squirrel.
Owl. There was like an owl noise as well.
Wasn't there? Yeah, so keep that in mind, Em. It's just a reindeer, or it's just a squirrel. No need to wake me up. Okay, we see you in the next episode as we continue our journey south in the direction of Helsinki.